Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video we are going to see about one of the best project. That project name is ATM banking system, and I made this project with help of Python programming language, and you can also made this project with help of this code. And in the description box I have given this code. You can access this code and you can implement with help of VS Code or any other code editor. Like I am using this VS Code editor, you can use anyone. And I will try to explain each and every line. So try to understand. So let me start. So first of all, you have to import three libraries: get pass, stream, and operating system. So these are the three libraries which we have to import first. And now we have to create a list of user and their PIN and bank statement. So there is three things which we have to create now. So now here we have created user like user 1, user 2 and user 3. So like that same we have to create also PIN. So for user 1 this is a PIN, for user 2 this one is PIN, and for user 3 this is. And along with this we have create here also amount, how much amount user 1 have, how much amount user 2 have, and how much amount user 3 have. So same like that we have created three list, and now we have to count equal to 3. And now we have to check a condition. For checking a condition we have use here while loop, and if this condition will true, like we have taken here input enter username. If you enter username which we have mentioned here, then it will break, it will stop executing. Otherwise if you enter a wrong username along with this one, then it will show invalid username. You have to enter a valid username. So this is for while loop. Now we have to check also for PIN also, which means if you for user 1 you enter a wrong PIN or right PIN. For that we have check here also. So please enter a PIN. If you enter a PIN for user 1, then it will, if you enter a correct PIN, then it will break the, this condition will break and it will execute. Otherwise it will print invalid PIN. You have to enter a valid PIN. So same like that here also we have to check for user 2. If you enter a right PIN, then it will print this one break, it will stop executing, and if not means it will came into else part and it will show invalid PIN. Same like that for user 3 also we have to check also here. If this all the condition is false means it will, so it will come into else part and it will, so PIN consists of 4 digits. If you enter 3-digit PIN only, then it will show PIN consists of 4 digit only. So we have to enter 4-digit PIN only. 3-digit PIN will not allow. So we have to enter only 4-digit PIN. Now in the case of valid PIN, we have to check also here condition. If you enter a valid username, valid password, if you enter invalid, then it will show unsuccessful PIN attempt ejecting, and it will show also your card has been blocked. If we have entered a right username and password, then it will print login successful, we can continue, and it will also print here welcome to ATM. Now we have to come into main menu, which we have mentioned all those things. If you want to withdraw your amount, and if you want to check your statement, each and everything we have mentioned here. If you want to change your PIN and all those things we have mentioned here. For checking a statement, you have to press S for withdraw, W, and same like that you can click here whatever you want. So for here also we have to take a response. If response equal to yes, then it will print you have that much amount RS, whatever amount you have in your account. So it will print. Same like that, if you want to withdraw your amount, so just you have to enter W. It will print enter amount you would like to withdraw. And same like that, also we have to here also it will check cash amount in your bank amount will available or not. It will also check. If not available means it will print this statement like you want to withdraw must to match 10 RS, like in your account must have balance after you can able to withdraw amount. And same like that, if in your account you don't have any amount, then it will show you have insufficient balance, you can't able to withdraw. So same like that you can check also balance here, new balance. If you want to add you can add. And yeah, and if you want to change your PIN, you can enter a new PIN and you can change, and one more time you have to confirm a new PIN. So like that you can change your PIN. If you enter a mismatch, invalid PIN, it will show PIN is mismatch. And now the PIN, each new PIN has been saved. If you enter the correct PIN, new PIN, it will show new PIN has been saved. So same like that we can, if you do anything wrong means it will response not valid. Yeah, now let me run this program. So for running, you have to click here. Yeah, now you can write a username. Like if I write a invalid username, Rahul, it will show invalid username. So why it's showing like that? Because for username, we have mentioned here user 1, user 2, user 3. So in between you can write anyone. So let me check this one, user 1. Yes, now you can able to see this is a valid username. So for username 1, this is your password. So just you have to write this, and it will not show here because it will hide, and just write and press enter. Now you can able to see here logging successfully, and now you can continue. And user 1, welcome to ATM. Now you can able to withdraw your amount, you can able to change your PIN or whatever you want to do, you can do it. So I want to withdraw my amount. So for that we have to write here W. Like if you write here W, it will ask enter amount you would like to withdraw. So I want to withdraw 1000. So let me check what it will show. Yes, now you can able to see your new balance is 19,000. That means in my account I have 20,000. That's why they have mentioned 19,000 is balance. And if I want to change my PIN, no, one more time I will show you. One more time I will show you. Like again I want to withdraw my amount. So just how much amount. So now I would like to 5,000. So now you can able to see here 19,000 is there. Now we withdraw 5,000 here, 5,000. So remaining balance is 14,000 only. So now I hope you get to know about these things. Now I want to change my PIN. So just I will going to click in, and they asking you have to enter a new PIN. So just you have to enter a new PIN. It will also hide. So just yes, confirm one more time. You have to write your new PIN. Yes, your PIN has been changed now. Yes, now you can see here new PIN has been saved. And if I want to see a statement, then we can click here yes. So this is our basic project. I hope you guys are get to know about this project. If you have any doubt about this project, let me know in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.